Hi, I'm Jody Hand, Mrs. Hand Painted, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to paint this loose flower peony with a bud. I hope you enjoy painting it as much as I did.
Alright, I'm going to try painting this watercolor peony. I'm using the Pastel Dreams set of my watercolor confections from Art Philosophy, and I'm going to use this darker pink color with my Princeton Velvetouch round size 8. And I'm just going to dilute that down a little bit, get some of the excess off of my brush. And I'm going to start out these lower facing petals that would be below, and then I'll add some in on the top. So the peonies have so many petals and they'll curve back and just kind of frilly like almost, depending on the variety. So just want to do these curved petals that will be in the front, and then very diluted I would do some in the back. Get a little bit more paint and do some of these lower petals. And have some that just kind of curve up, little sprigs like. Alright, I am going to switch to a smaller brush, my round size 4. I'm going to use this kind of golden yellow color, the number 42. I'm going to add in just a small amount of yellow. Be very careful not to touch my pink. I'm just kind of dotting that in there. Go back to my 8, and I am going to use my Woodlands palette to get this really deep green, and I'll mix in some of that daylight color just to get a nice vibrant green. I'm just going to have the thin stem coming off. Kind of off of the bottom here, there would be, coming from behind those petals, would be kind of a little bit of a leafy base from the bud. Maybe I'll add a little bud coming up here as well. We'll just do another stem that kind of comes up this way, and I can have kind of like a cupped shape to that. And the leaves for that, I want that to be a little bit darker. Actually, they're kind of just that ovally shape here. So I'll just add, oh, that looks bad. Go back over that. Add in my veiny detail there. Over my stem with that little bit darker green, just so that blends in a little better. And a little variation here. curving. I want to add in a little bit of yellow to my green here. Oh, I'm noticing this particular one is just I'm getting little bits of the paint here by accident. Clean water on my brush here. I'm going to go back to my pink and I'm going to try and do a little bud. And the bud is almost going to be circular, but I'll just have a little bit of those petals starting to open up there like that. I'm going to dry that really quick and I'm going to add some green just kind of around the base of that. Alright, I'm going to go back to 4 here and just get some of that yellowy green color. And I'm just going to put the tiniest bits of green just coming up over the edge of that. Bud. Okay, and I do want to add a little bit more pink. I think my water's getting a little too green here. Just dilute that pink a little bit. And I just want to go over some of these petals that are in the middle, just to make those a little more textured. I didn't completely cover, I just kind of did some highlight just to give some more coloring depth in there. And I'll do that on my bud as well. Just kind of going along to kind of show that there's multiple layers to that. There. It just gives it a little more interest. And I just I'm going to add a little more yellow too. I'm just using a size 1 here just to make some little lines for the stamen that will be coming up out of the middle there.